Hey guys, welcome back to Song Sense and Skincare. This is Kate Caden. Today we are going to talk about how to set up a recording studio in a tiny house, in a tiny room, or if you're a beginner looking for a video to help you set up your recording studio at home. Let's start off with the microphone that I'm using here. This is a SHURE MV7 podcast kit. This is around $300. So far, I've been using it for the past 2 years. This is a really good quality mic. Unlike other microphones that I've used before, I had a $20 microphone, which is okay. Also, I had a 5-fine microphone. This is around $80, which is good. However, I suggest this one if you're looking for a budget-friendly microphone. If you have more budget or if you have more money, you can check out the more expensive Shure microphone. That one is around $500. A lot of musicians use that one right now. That one is the Shure SM7B. You can go for that one, but so far this one is already great. Next is the headphone. This is from One Audio. I like the color. I've been using this one as well for the past 2 years. So far it's still good, but if you're on a budget, you can use your simple headset. Next is the pop filter. This is already common for those who record music, but if you don't know how or what this is for, it's for you to avoid the p sound. It's better to buy this one with the stand that you can attach to your table. This is around $15 to $20 online. Also, I bought this one. This is around $20. You can adjust this however you want to. Right now, I'm using it this way. Next is DAW. That is Digital Audio Workstation. Let me just show you the one that I'm using right now. This is the FL Studio. It's around $200. There's one that is way cheaper. I think it's around $100. You can check out FL Studio. They have trial version. I also invested in vocal presets. Those are the setup that you can use to record your voice to sound better. Right now, I just don't have the time to make my own vocal presets, so I bought from Jordan Rise. I think they're very helpful. There are artist vocal presets like Ariana Grande, Dua Lipa, Kid Laroi, Justin Bieber, Summer Walker, and Tate McRae. You can check out Rise Up Audio website. So you can also order your own vocal preset. When you order, you'll receive it after a week. So far, those are the things that I have right now for recording my own music, just for my songwriting portfolio. I'm not a singer. I just like to write songs. Hopefully, I get to work with my favorite artist someday or new and upcoming artist in the future. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and share and like. Take care and have a great day. See you again. Bye.